Welcome back. In this video, I'll take you through the setup needed to prepare for the course. I will also explain the prerequisite knowledge and software you will need before you begin. Before you start this course, you should have a basic understanding of the Python programming language. Familiarity with some libraries, such as the IPython and Matplotlib libraries, is beneficial but not necessary. You should also understand IBM Bluemix and cloud environments. You will need an IBM Bluemix account and an IBM Data Science Experience account, both of which are free. In this course, all development will be done in the cloud and you don't have to download anything. You will be doing your development on DSX in Python notebooks. You will need to create a project in your DSX account to add the notebooks. There are two notebooks for this course, one exercise notebook for you to work in, and one solution notebook with completed labs to serve as a reference. You will need to copy both of these into your DSX account. You will also have to install the streamsx.health package. Logging into your DSX account will bring you to a screen like this. Go to Projects and view all projects. From here, click Create Project. You'll need to add a project name. Leave the other fields as their default values and click Create. Click Add Notebooks. You could choose to add notebooks from a URL. Choose a name for the notebook. Copy the URL for the exercise notebook and paste it into the URL field. Click Create Notebook. You can do this for the solution notebook too, if you'd like. The new exercise notebook should open on its own. There is one cell that you will have to run before you try any of the labs. It installs the streamsx.health package that your application will be using. To run the cell, click it and then click Run Cell. The next part of the setup involves your Bluemix account. Before you can continue, you will have to create a streaming analytics service on Bluemix, generate credentials for your service, and input these credentials into your Python notebook. Once you have created and logged into your Bluemix account, you will need to create a streaming analytics service. If you do not see this screen, click on the IBM Bluemix button. Scroll down and click Create Service. You will be taken to the Bluemix catalog, which lists the different services available. Search for and select Streaming Analytics. You will need to pick a service name. You can keep the pricing plan as the default. If you created a trial account for Bluemix, you will not be charged. Click Create. From the list of services, click your new Streaming Analytics service. Click Service Credentials. You will have to create service credentials before you can use your Streaming Analytics service. Click New Credential. You can leave the fields as default. Click Add. Now you will need to copy the credentials and your Streaming Analytics service name into the exercise notebook. Copy the service name first. Scroll down to the Set up access to the service heading. Run the first cell and paste in your service name. Click Enter. Going back to your Streaming Analytics service, click View Credentials and then the copy icon. In the notebook, run the next cell and paste in your credentials this time. If you exit your notebook in the middle of the course, you will need to input your service name and credentials again for your application to work. But for now, this is all you need to get your development environment set up. You can now move on to the first lab, in which you will start to develop a simple application. Make sure you have successfully completed all the prerequisites before moving forward.